are going to be making chicken sandwich today. We have our broiled buns, which is very good and nice, and then we have our chicken breast. Okay, I will be introducing other ingredients as we continue. Let's get started. So it's still frozen a little, so we're gonna cut it into two. It's gonna help us because it's frozen to cut it properly. Then we're going to allow it to thaw before seasoning. I'm gonna let it thaw, then we start seasoning. Our pepper and it's hot. Our paprika. With our spices. The spices are seasoned. Okay. chicken tender sandwich. We have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share this video, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye, and God bless you. Look at that, delicious.